Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this 70 my dashcam A400 plus real cam set in a MyV car. So I'm recording in a car now under a mall parking, so forgive the lighting condition. But yeah, this camera can record 1440p for the front camera and 1080p for the back, for the rear camera. And it has a collision detection, 145 degrees of ultra wide angle, and this is app enabled. And this design has the IF Design Award 2021. So what's it there? So like I said, 1440p in front, 1080p at the back, collision detection, 145 degree ultra wide angle, and app enabled. So what's further down here? So it's repeating the same thing. The model number is A400 the lens in front is FOV 145 degree at f2.0. The rear camera lens is FOV 130 degrees at f2.0. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So you get this all sorts of manuals, and then there are stick pads. So you see stick pads, two sizes, the rear camera user manual, and then the user manual for the main unit. Here is your rear camera, so you actually can spin this around. Yeah, and here is the period pipe tab, and as you can see here, this wire is 4 pin. Now, and you have some stickers, some double taps here. Okay, and then you have the main unit here. The lens, this is actually quite a big camera though. So yeah, 70 mm in front, the double tap here, and then on the side here is the power button, and then here you have the power connection, which is still in micro USB, and then the AV in for your rear camera, and then this is the micro SD card slot. So yeah, the micro SD card slot, nice cover there. So I think I'm just gonna peel this one off. Screen is not that big, but then yeah, and I believe the speaker is up here, 75 here. Some buttons on the bottom here, and yeah, actually you can adjust, tilt your camera, which is interesting. All right. And then let's see what's further inside here. So you have the rear camera wire here. So as you can see, 4 pin, and then right, the AV in here. It's actually angled, very long. So I don't know how long is this, but should be enough for most cars. And you have the power cable for your main unit, so USB here, and then the other side is the angled micro USB. And lastly, you have this thing that helps you to tuck in your wire into your your holes here, stuff like that. Yeah, and then lastly, you have the power unit for you to put into your smoke unit here. So yeah, so I'll be installing in the MyV 2013 model or 2014 model already, and let's see how it works. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.